Hello, I am Johanna Kleipool. Some people know me as Donna Kleipool. I use both names. I have a sort of a business, and it is called Merkaba Light. And there I have put all the information, all the knowledge, all the wisdom I have collected all together. It exists in 3 languages, so Spanish, English, and Dutch. So many people can already enjoy the contents, but up till now I was absolutely invisible. My purpose was to be invisible, not traceable, not detectable, and I am very good in it. It's my hobby. I love it. But now, slowly, that all the wisdom is already in this website available for you, for the whole world, it is time that I tell the people what I have made, that I inform people that I'm visible. So that is why I'm now making videos. Up till now, I never ever made videos, but okay, that is the new trend, but it is costing me a lot. So you really can help me by spreading news if you think it's important. It's up to you. But perhaps we can do it together, because I alone can't reach the world, and social media is not my strongest asset. So I'm good in many things, but not in social media. Good. I was the last month very busy with finding out how do we create a new world. It's surely not having a farm somewhere far out and make my own vegetables. That is a very old energy. That is not new. That is escaping something. I think this new world will come from the tiniest space of our heart through the torus fields outwards. And we will spread it through our Merkaba, through our Christ consciousness grid, and shine it outwards. Yes, now I will be visible as from now. And okay, that is a new step in my existence. It surely will be very nice also. Good. We will create this new world from the inside out. And there are a couple of things that are hindering us with this, I discovered. So I was laying in my bed for a few days, really with the feeling that something was dying. Yeah, and it was not a pleasant feeling. It was not nice at all. The whole process was sort of new. I had never had it, but I had to discover something. And that is the mother-child connection, which looks like a very loving, nice relationship, but at the same time, it's a very old and poisonous, almost poisonous bond. Soul to soul to soul to soul. And I saw the placenta with the cordon, the umbilical cordon, with the baby, and then baby after baby again, and placenta again, and long strings of these elements. That is not only energetically, that is also, especially, it's not physically, but it's energetically, sorry. And I'm not going to correct it. It came out in this way, so it's fine. This energetic connection from father, grandfather, mother, grandmother, far in history, has a lot of heavy energy in it, has a lot of dramas in it, has a lot of burden. The wisdom goes to the heart, but the rest stays in our energetic fields. So it is, in a way, a hindrance. And now was the question, how can we disconnect in a very positive, in a very nourishing, in a very new way? How can we be, each of us, an independent being, an independent soul, but at the same time knowing that we belong and participate in the big pool that is just everything and nothing, is source, is the origin, whatever you want to call it. I don't call it God because there are many gods, so that we don't know what God. No, source of creation, let's say. And each of us is part of creation, yes. And each of us, I will tell you in another video about that, can really be a source of infinite new perceptions, new ideas, new projects, new ways of doing the things with our brothers and sisters. Yes, but each person, and totally independent, and at the same time connected, but not in the old umbilical tie to each other, but from the heart, not from the belly. I think that is the big difference. And we go from the belly, that is third dimension, to our heart, that is our Christ consciousness chakra. And that is where we are going to. That is to living from the heart in unconditional love and oneness. But that is oneness from the heart, and not the belly is from the mind. So perhaps you can ponder about this idea, and I don't say it is the truth, it is my truth today. So you can write me an WhatsApp. My number is +31, that is for the Netherlands, 6055, no, 64055 4921. That is the telephone number. And that you can just call me and we see how things will develop. Okay, till next time. Bye-bye.